Hello, my name is Mustafa Abdiri. I am going to explain quiz 8, question number 5. In the question, we ask here, write of the following function per doctrine, giving note that you can't use floats inside range. You make sure you don't use float, only isn't, can't be in a range statement. And then here is the question. We gotta define the table and use for loops and range statement to print out a table of a value of x and f, and we have a, b, c, x, form x 0, f, a, b, c, x 0 to x1, f, a, b, c, x1. And the x value are evenly spaced if is the name of the previously defined function. Use the function from question number 3 as helper functions. And then here is a simple run and a table of, we started from 1 to 0, 0, 5, 8, 0, 4. And here is the numbers of the formulas. And as we can see here in question 6 says make a table of the Hodrick function from x equals 0, x equal 4, sine 9x, as take ABC equal 2, 3, 5. And we go back and see to the code right here. And as we can see, I wrote here on question 5 is defined table of, and then we write the FA, B, C, X0, X1, and N as we asked in our question. And then we be doing D equal X1 minus X0 over N minus 1 parentheses. And for S in range, of course we coded on S. For S in range N, X equal X0 plus S multiply D and print X as we had in the question, F parenthesis A, B, C, X parenthesis. And then we wrote the table of Hodrick, and then we wrote the number that we asked in our question. And then we come here on question number 6. We wrote the print table of the occurrences, and then we do the print, and we enter as well the numbers that we asked for from 2, 3, 5, and 0, 4, 9. We assign them here, and then we run it. When we run the code, and here is what we see. Okay, bring us all the numbers that we need for the codes. Thank you and have a great day.